Hi guys, how's it going? So today I just wanted to give you an update of what I've been doing for the last few months or weeks, because I haven't uploaded in a while, what I've done to the car and what's new. So as you can see behind me, there is a nice powder coated dashboard in my car. Now this took a lot of effort, a lot of straining, and yeah, it was a nightmare to get in, but I finally got it in with the steering column in the car, which was, I thought I was going to have to take it out. With most of the dashes in, well, with all the dashes in, just not all wired up, and with one switch not in. So yeah, so that was a bit of a nightmare. Now I'm trying to keep this car as original as possible. So I've got the original steering wheel here. That will be going on the car soon. So at the moment I was just trying to focus on the dash and the interior. I've got some new seating brackets, sort of what I've turned up, and they'll be going in the car soon. And yeah, the next major thing is the engine and gearbox. Well, we know that the engine's running good. I know the engine's running good. Just got to do some minor upgrades to it, or replacements like clutch, rocker cover, sump clean out, flywheel just needs a bit of a clean up, just major things, minor things. So yeah, I'll show you around the car and I'll show you what I bought. So as you can see, the steering wheel's not on. Some of it is wired in, some of it isn't. The ignition barrel wired in, this is all wired in now. You've got the old horn, the indicators, steering wheel's not on, RPM's not wired in. They're not wired in yet. Just broke it. That's not wired in. And this is the speedo reset, which, as you can see, isn't on. Get the choke, which won't do anything without an engine, and all the switches. Now I think the only one which plugged in is that one. Temp, fuel, missing one. Got the heater, I've got a new heater for the car. Nice new light bracket, isn't wired in. And yeah, that's probably the washers. Nice shiny badge. And yeah, so the rear wiring limb's all wired up. Just got to do some cleaning up and put the trim on it. Floor panels all looking good. And that one is too. Just got to get the rear the handbrake plug set up in here. This is for an aftermarket radio, which I'm not putting in anymore. That'll be coming out. And yeah, so at the front of the car, still missing engine and gearbox. Done the fuel like you've seen, done the wiring loom like you've seen. Engine mounts have been refurbished and painted. Put a new mount on spacer on that. Horn needs to be done on both sides. That's about it. So yeah, it hasn't been very productive for the last couple of months, or month or so. One major reason being I hurt my back quite badly at work, and I had to have some time off, so I couldn't do any of the lifting or anything in the car. So down here we have a Morris Marina 1500 gearbox, which I was going to put in my car because someone said it was the same, but the bell housing's different because the starter motor's on the different side, and the mounts are different because these mounts are too big to fit in the tunnel. There needs to be one set here. So as the other ones are actually casted onto there, I needed to get a new rear end. This one selects all 4 gears though, and reverse, so it was good inside, just the wrong mounts and wrong bell housing. My other gearbox, what came out of my car, was shattered. Yeah, it had some major issues. So I finally bitten the bullet, and bought another gearbox. Now this one does select all gears, and will be coming out of we'll be going for overhaul for bearings, gaskets, seals and stuff. And here it is. Just received it today. Got it very cheap. But yeah, I was gonna unbox it and show you guys what it looks like, because it looks pretty manky apparently. So yeah. So I'm on nights again at work this week, so I might be able to upload a few more videos and get a chance to do Midget. But as you can see, the woolly hat is on and the jacket's on, so you know it's winter. We're in the UK, it's winter anyway. We've had some blooming cold nights and days. Interesting way to package. Interesting way to be packaged, I suppose. So this gearbox apparently kind of been used for about 8 years. So it's a bit of a gamble. But I suppose they all say it's 3 times lucky. I have leaked some fluid. I'm inside the bell housing. All looks quite good. Some rust around here, but all this can be taken off. This was broken on my last one. That looks alright. Paint's coming away. Looks like it's been repainted at some point, but that's quite easy to repair. So yeah, overall inspection looks pretty good. So I'm going to paint my gearbox. Now considering I have a red car, I'm going to be taking it to shows and stuff. What colour do you think I should paint my gearbox? Kawasaki green, blue, red, silver, black? Leave a comment below and I'll consider your options and reply to you, like I always reply to my followers and to the people who watch my videos. So I was going to get a gear lever and try out all the gear. I'm going to try and get my gear lever and try out all the gears if I can find it. This is my gear lever. I've got a nice MG one coming out for here. But shit. It's not going to be on there, is it? go and put this back. And yeah, happy with that purchase. So now I've got to send it off. Now I've got gaskets, seals, and bearings redone. I'm not going to do it myself, I want a specialist to do it. So yeah, what have I got to do next? Well, I've got to change the exhaust, the back end, because there's a hole in it. The back end looks pretty good, there's a nice big hole in there. So, that's got to change. Lights have to be done, I've got the seals, just got to take the lights off. Reversing lights all plugged in, that light. Interior trim, seats, brackets, and an engine and gearbox. New clutch, flywheels going back on. So yeah. If any of you have any questions or want to ask me anything, feel free. I've got a discussion bit in my YouTube. I also have the comments down below for this video. And yeah. So I hope to be uploading a bit more often now. But it's bloody cold because it's winter. But hopefully we'll have a clutch, gearbox and engine to go in soon. And the rest of the wiring. I'm really happy with the dash and stuff like that. So yeah, just wiring that up now. And then we'll be ready to rock and roll with starting her up. If any of you need any MG Midget parts, especially for the 1500, comment down below or email me with my email for my YouTube, which is in my about section. And yeah, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope to upload more soon. And I'll see you guys next time. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment if you've got anything. Cheers.